Imagine standing on Earth and looking up at the night sky. Among those billions of stars is our cosmic home, the Milky Way galaxy. A gigantic spiral of stars stretching over 100,000 light-years across. Inside it are hundreds of billions of stars, countless planets, and enormous clouds of cosmic dust. But here's a strange question most people never think about. What if humanity wanted to leave the Milky Way completely? Could we escape our galaxy and travel into the vast darkness between galaxies? Or are we permanently trapped inside this cosmic island? The answer is far more fascinating and terrifying than you might expect. To understand whether we can leave the Milky Way, we first need to understand where we are inside it. Earth is not near the center of the galaxy. Instead, we live on a quiet outer spiral arm called the Orion Arm. Our Sun orbits the center of the Milky Way at a speed of about 828,000 kilometers per hour. That might sound incredibly fast, but even at that speed, it takes our solar system 230 million years just to complete one orbit around the galaxy. In other words, since dinosaurs first appeared on Earth, the Sun hasn't even finished one full trip around the Milky Way. And this gives you an idea of how unbelievably large our galaxy truly is. Now imagine trying to leave the Milky Way. The edge of the galaxy is roughly 50,000 light-years away from Earth. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year. That means light itself, the fastest thing in the universe, would take 50,000 years to reach the edge of the galaxy from our location. Now think about our fastest spacecraft ever built. NASA's Voyager 1 travels about 61,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, it would take roughly 700 million years to reach the edge of the Milky Way. That's longer than humans have even existed. And Voyager 1 wouldn't even come close to leaving the galaxy. But distance isn't the only problem. The Milky Way is also held together by gravity. Just like rockets need a certain speed to escape Earth's gravity, escaping the entire galaxy requires something called galactic escape velocity. To break free from the Milky Way's gravitational pull, an object must travel about 550 kilometers per second. That's around 2 million kilometers per hour. This is far faster than anything humanity has ever built. Even our fastest probes move only a tiny fraction of that speed. So escaping the galaxy would require technology far beyond what we currently have. But surprisingly, some objects have already escaped the Milky Way. These are called hypervelocity stars. They travel so fast that they are literally ejected from the galaxy. Scientists believe this happens when stars pass too close to the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. The black hole's gravity slingshots them outward at incredible speeds. Some of these stars move over 3 million kilometers per hour, fast enough to escape the galaxy entirely. Eventually, they drift into the enormous emptiness between galaxies. A lonely journey through almost complete darkness. Let's say humanity somehow managed to escape the Milky Way. What would we find outside it? The answer is almost nothing. Between galaxies lies a region called intergalactic space. It is one of the emptiest places in the universe. The nearest large galaxy to us, Andromeda, is about 2.5 million light-years away. That means even after escaping the Milky Way, we would still face an unimaginable journey across a vast cosmic void. A region with very few stars, almost no planets, and near total darkness. Traveling there would be like crossing an endless ocean without any islands. Interestingly, humanity might not need to leave the Milky Way forever. Because in about 4.5 billion years, something incredible will happen. Our galaxy will collide with the Andromeda galaxy. But don't imagine a violent crash like cars colliding. Galaxies are mostly empty space. Instead, the two galaxies will slowly merge together over millions of years. Their stars will rearrange, forming a brand new giant galaxy sometimes called Milkomeda. By then, our cosmic neighborhood will look completely different. So can humanity leave the Milky Way? In theory, yes. But with today's technology, the journey would take hundreds of millions of years. The distances are almost unimaginable. Yet the universe is full of surprises. Every century, human technology advances in ways our ancestors could never imagine. Perhaps one day, our descendants will build spacecraft capable of crossing galaxies. And when that happens, humanity might finally step beyond the Milky Way and explore the endless universe beyond our cosmic home.